Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to turn on and off show reposts on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the Bluesky application, then go to these three lines up here, then go to the settings, and here you will find content and media. Click on it, and now you will find following feed preferences. So here you will find show repost, so you can just like this click on it and we turn it off. If you want to turn it on, just like this again. So that's how to turn on and off show reposts easy and quickly on your account on Bluesky. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.